Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Delf Stack, and today I'm going to show you how to fix if someone can't hear you on Messenger. So guys, if this ever happened, you just need to adjust some settings into your phone. So first, you can just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your phone. Now, over here, you can just simply scroll down until you see over here apps. So go ahead and select this. Now, over here, you just have to find the Messenger application, or if you cannot find it, use the search icon on the top right corner. Now, over here, scroll down and you will have here permissions. So guys, sometimes if someone can't hear you, you might have your microphone deny over here. So as you can see, we have two categories. We have the allowed categories and we have the denied. So make sure your microphone is allowed over here and this can fix the issue. Now, if it still doesn't work, guys, what you could try to do is go to the Google Play Store and search for the Messenger app and make sure you are running the latest version of the Messenger. And when there is an update, you should be able to see here update instead of open. And to make sure, select the three dots on the top right corner and you should be able to see here enable auto update. So make sure to check this box over here so you won't have any issue using the app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.